Imagine hitting the road with nothing but freedom ahead. No need for massive trucks or heavy trailers, just a compact, efficient, and adventure-ready ride that takes you anywhere. The Camper Tricycle RV is here to redefine the way we travel. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, a gateway to discovering the world on your own terms. With its unique design, unmatched practicality, and eco-friendly approach, this tiny home on wheels is perfect for solo travelers, couples, or anyone looking for the ultimate minimalistic road trip. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Camper Tricycle RV a revolutionary choice. The first thing that grabs attention is its size. Unlike traditional RVs that demand large parking spaces and struggle through narrow roads, this tricycle camper is compact yet surprisingly spacious inside. It seamlessly blends functionality with convenience, making it an ideal choice for urban explorers, off-grid adventurers, and everyone in between. Step inside and you'll be amazed at how every inch of space is optimized. The cozy interior features a comfortable bed that easily transforms into a seating area. Shelving and storage compartments are cleverly placed to make use of every available space. Need to cook? A compact kitchenette is built in, complete with a small sink, a portable stove, and just enough counter space to prepare your favorite meals. And for those who worry about power, this Camper Tricycle RV is equipped with solar panels, ensuring you have a reliable energy source wherever you go. Now let's talk about mobility. Unlike bulky motorhomes that guzzle fuel, this tricycle camper is lightweight, fuel-efficient, and easy to maneuver. Whether you're cruising through the countryside, exploring mountain roads, or navigating through a bustling city, you won't have to worry about parking nightmares or fuel costs draining your wallet. Some models even come with electric assist motors, making long journeys smoother and more enjoyable without compromising on sustainability. Safety and comfort go hand in hand. The cabin is designed to keep you protected from the elements, with insulated walls that maintain a comfortable temperature no matter the season. Rain or shine, you'll always have a cozy space to relax. Lockable doors and windows provide security, so you can rest easy wherever you decide to camp for the night. And let's not forget ventilation. Built-in fans or small windows ensure a steady flow of fresh air, keeping the interior comfortable and breathable. For those who love customization, the Camper Tricycle RV is a dream come true. The possibilities are endless. Want a solar shower? Done. Need an extendable awning for shade? Easy. How about a foldable table for outdoor dining? Absolutely. You can modify the setup to match your personal needs, making your adventures even more comfortable and enjoyable. This flexibility makes it a perfect fit for digital nomads, weekend warriors, and full-time travelers alike. But why choose a Camper Tricycle RV over a traditional RV or van life setup? The answer is simple: cost, convenience, and sustainability. Traditional RVs can be expensive to maintain, requiring constant fuel, insurance, and costly repairs. A tricycle camper, on the other hand, is budget-friendly, requiring minimal maintenance and offering excellent fuel efficiency or even fully electric options. Plus, its small size means fewer campsite restrictions, allowing you to park almost anywhere, from remote forest trails to quiet urban corners. Another major advantage is its eco-friendly footprint. With the world moving towards greener alternatives, the Camper Tricycle RV is a step in the right direction. Low emissions, optional electric propulsion, and solar energy integration make it one of the most sustainable ways to travel. You get to explore nature without harming it, making your adventures guilt-free and environmentally responsible. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a secluded beach, unzipping your window to let in the morning sun, and stepping out to a breathtaking sunrise. No hotel bookings, no rigid schedules, just pure, unfiltered adventure at your own pace. Whether it's camping beside a river, enjoying a peaceful night under a sky full of stars, or sipping coffee with a mountain view, the Camper Tricycle RV makes every moment magical. For solo travelers, this is the ultimate escape vehicle. No more relying on expensive accommodations or crowded tourist hotspots. You have everything you need within arm's reach. Just load up your essentials, plan your route, and hit the road. For couples, it's a romantic getaway on wheels. Long drives, scenic landscapes, spontaneous detours. What more could you ask for? And for those who crave simplicity, it's the perfect downsized home that brings the joy of minimalism while keeping life exciting. Of course, every great adventure has its challenges. With a Camper Tricycle RV, you'll need to pack smart, Storage is limited, so every item must have a purpose. Weather conditions can also play a role, meaning you need to be prepared for rain, wind, or chilly nights. But isn't that part of the adventure? Overcoming these little hurdles makes the journey even more rewarding. Plus, with proper planning and a few creative hacks, you can easily adapt to any situation. So where can you take a Camper Tricycle RV? The answer is anywhere your heart desires. Cross-country road trips, national parks, beachside camping, city explorations, the possibilities are endless. It's the kind of vehicle that thrives on versatility. Want to take it to a remote hiking trail? Go for it. Thinking of a weekend escape to a quiet lakeside retreat? No problem. It's all about making travel accessible, enjoyable, and stress-free. The best part? It doesn't matter if you're an experienced camper or first-time traveler. The learning curve is minimal and the benefits are instant. No complicated setups, no frustrating maintenance. Just pack up, get on the road, and enjoy the ride. It's the future of independent travel, making road trips more affordable and practical for everyone. And let's not forget the community. Camper Tricycle RV owners often share a unique bond, exchanging travel tips, sharing camping spots, and offering advice on the best modifications. Whether through online forums, social media groups, or meetups on the road, there's always someone ready to help or share an inspiring travel story. You'll never feel alone on your journey. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative features in the Camper Tricycle RV world. Lighter materials, improved battery life, smart automation, and even AI-powered route planning could soon become part of this exciting travel trend. The future is bright, and for those willing to embrace this minimalist, adventure-driven lifestyle, the road ahead is filled with endless possibilities. So if you've ever dreamed of packing up and hitting the road without the hassle of oversized RVs, if you crave the freedom to explore without breaking the bank, or if you simply want a unique and sustainable way to see the world, the Camper Tricycle RV is the answer. Compact, affordable, and packed with adventure. It's not just a vehicle, it's a movement. It's time to leave behind the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Are you ready?